This is automatic. 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 This is automatic.
This is the test drive of the Isuzu AT35. It is Isuzu's ultimate off-roader. It is based on the V-Cross, but it has a higher riding suspension and also has Bolston shock absorbers in front. So it's way more equipped than the V-Cross, which it is based on. It also has the wide flaring arches, higher ground clearance, and AT35 badging all around. So join me for the test drive. So far, there is a bit of tyre noise, but that's expected from these BF Goodrich leafy tyres that are for serious off-roading. I spoke to Kevin Fouché, the head of Isuzu product manager. So he's the one who is behind the specifications that's put in each of the vehicle. So this car is obviously equipped with 2 high, 4 high, and then 4 low. That's a low range casing gear. So it's super equipped for off-roading. It has a high riding suspension, way higher than the V-Cross model. So you're able to do some more serious off-roading. And the Bolston shock absorbers are also way more equipped. So it has the same engine as the V-Cross as well, it's not tuned. It makes 400 Newton meters of torque and 140 kilowatts of power. And that can be sent to all 4 wheels. So I'm doing about 60 kilometers. It's about 17. I'm gonna put my foot flat down. See the power. Decent power. Bakkie moves quite nicely. On the inside there's leather interior with the AT35 badging on all around. The AT35 badging can also be found on the gear lever here at the bottom. Leather wrap steering wheel with lane keep assist, cruise control. It has adaptive cruise control, same as the top spec V-Cross model.
Hey, turn it up some more.
Who the hell is
Hey,
Carl?
turn it up.
Hold another.
Yeah. Hey, my driveway fast and furious.